At Royal Dutch Gazelle, we make 275,000 bikes a year, and of course that means we need twice as many wheels, which is more than 500,000. We put these wheels together ourselves in our factory. First, we guide the spokes into the right place in the wheel. Next, we apply pressure to the wheel, which makes the spokes position themselves properly. And to be sure of a smooth ride, we tighten the spokes to true the wheel. We keep doing this until we are sure the wheel is perfectly round. The final step, of course, is the tyre. Pump up the inner tube, fit the tyre, and it's good to go.